back to my new vlogs, mga sisi ko. May vlogs na naman tayo. Mga sisi ko, for today's vlog, gagala kami ng aking asawa. Where are we going right now?
Of Charty.
Of Charcy. How many minutes we're going? It's like 1 hour.
Like 1 hour, but I cannot tell you exactly.
Mga sisi ko 1 hour ang travel namin. Ang plan kasi namin ay mag-exercise. Pero sabi ng asawa ko, mag-exercise daw kami sa bundok.
But maybe if the traffic is a little...
Maglakad daw kami sa bundok.
Maybe it
So,
will be more.
ganun ang gagawin namin. So, we'll see. Ang sisi ko. Umulan siya kanina. Might be training. A while ago, but right now, the sun's coming.
Yeah.
We have a good weather. I hope it continues until afternoon and evening. And also tomorrow. It's Black Week.
What is Black Week?
Black Friday. Wait.
Black Friday?
Yes.
Maybe next week?
Yeah, next week.
I don't
Black
know.
Friday.
Maybe this one? No, to be honest, I never believed in Black Friday. Because what I see is they increase the price.
What is that? Tapos yung mga ansala asawa ko, yung mga youngster daw for sure. Sa city nag-work or nag-aaral. Or na-visit lang sila dito mga weekends. Lupa lang siya mga sisi ko, hindi sementado yung daanan. Kaya mahirap mag-drive. Sisi ko, andito na tayo.
След 200 метра завийте надясно.
Someone's crossing. We didn't expect that. The kids is running without checking.
I think I punctured the tire.
How did you know?
Oh, I hear some strange sound.
Завийте надясно.
Antas ang sikat ng araw.
След 200 метра завийте надясно.
And here is the house is nice.
They use bricks.
Завийте надясно.
The question is, where's the parking? I think you can park over there.
Yeah, I can, but let's try here.
Yeah, you still have 3 minutes.
Maybe I can park there too. Park here too, I guess. Right?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I can park here.
Okay. Let's bring water. Ang lakas ng alon. Ang sisi ko super lamig, kaya naka 3 layers ako. I am waiting for you. Nagutom ako mga sisi ko, bibili mo na akong pagkain. Okay.
There.
Marco, can you please hold this?
I'm sorry, it rains often here, that's why.
Ito palagi, kaya maputik. Nakita mo yan?
Oh, this is like...
Mahal, what's so beautiful over there? On the top of the mountain.
Yeah. By the way, it's an easy road. It's 1 hour or 30 minutes or so. Also good, I think we need to go again here when it's good weather, sunny.
We need summer.
Not summer, we need sunny. Maybe another week.
Ano kami mga sisi ko, mga kalamang akin sa Timura.
Okay. Maybe good also.
Yan mga sisi ko yung akitin namin. Andito naman tayo. Sabi ng asawa ko, where's the...
This way. So this way is to see some wood, this way to see the waterfall. What do you want?
This one. The waterfalls.
Careful.
But if raining, let's go back, okay?
Yeah, sure.
We're not going to continue.
As soon as it's in rain, we can come.
Well, see, they say it's easy, but when we go in the real, it's not.
You see any foot?
Yeah.
You don't walk on the...
May mga naglalakad din, mga sisi ko. Nakita nyo? Dalawang kabataan. Hiningal na agad ako.
Wow, so nice.
Sana hindi umulan. Kasi hindi maganda kapag uulan. Nakakatakot. Sa taas. Yeah. Refreshing man ko.
I'm stretching you.
Ito yung exercise ng asawa ko. At saka exercise ko. Kailangan namin mag-drive ng malayo para makit ng bundok. What's this? Is poop?
No, it's from the trees.
Okay.
Shark is called. Shark. Poop. Where you will find poop? It's just shark.
At least ready tayo mga sisig ko. Nakaano ako. Talagang warm yung suit ko. Aha. But this life. Yeah, super.
They say it's like 30 minutes. And there are steps afterwards. Probably you see them.
At least may step tayo. Dadaanan. It's not ground.
No, it's not that road.
Easy ko. Good news. 103 step. Ang akakati namin. Oh, not bad.
Not that way.
It's a piece of cake. Right, Marco?
Uh-huh. Nothing special. It's nice thing, but it's not for hiking.
Yeah. Careful.
Remember I asked you 10 times, do you like them to be that long? Do you like them?
Yeah. I said yes. But after that,
You don't think one, right? What in advance would happen?
it's done.
It's 30.
Marco, wait. Muna kami ng asawa ko. Good is life. See, imagine, nag-exercise kami pero kakain din kami. Alas 12 na kasi mga sisi ko. Ang hina yung tuhod ko. Oh, umalis kami ng bahay alas 10. Eh, nakarating kami dito alas 12. Oh, talagang maugutom kami. Are you done, Malco?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Continue.
Maybe 20 minutes.
Oh, yes, 20 minutes. Oh my gosh, it's slippery.
Yes. But it's steady here. So here, careful, because on the rocks. You want to hold you?
Not for now.
Be
I
careful,
still
just
manage.
Slow. Don't rush. Slow, man. Why you rush?
I'm walking slow.
Is your slow?
Yeah. I'm rushing.
It looks like it.
Oh, really? Kinakain daw to. Kinakain kaya to? Is it eatable?
I think it's eatable, but